So, I'm Wes, and this is Electric Cowboy on a Sunday evening football night. And I have Iris helping me here. This is the 6:30 workshop, and we did this little number. We started with a sugar push to make sure that I have my right to her left, anchor step, boom, boom, cool. Okay? So now I'm going to bring her straight forward as I get out of the way. One, prep her to the outside while I continue down the line. Two, because I don't really want you guys to go 1, 2. Ask me later and I'll tell you more about it. So we're going to go 1 prep to the outside. 2, I'm going to roll her in by doing a small triple facing that way. She will come to me as opposed to run by me, okay, because I went that way. And now we're going to walk down the line. I'm going to allow her to open up. She's prepped because her right side is very much through, so she's going to automatically prep 5, 6. I'm going to step down the line I'm going to leave my right hand here while I step down the line. Again, I'm going to leave my left hand. I'm going to leave my left hand here while I step down the line and take the right hand over. 7, 8, sliding down anchor, 9 and 10. From the other side, we went 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, anchor 9 and 10. 1, nice. Okay, thank you guys very much. We're going to take a 2-song break. We'll be back with a little bit more, and then we'll finish up at 7:30, and then drink, watch football, dance, and all that good stuff. Here you go, Ron.